we're going to do a prop box check-in. There is a plant in here that I need to make sure is doing well, and so we're going to check it out together. There he is. I see that he's thriving. I see something that's growing in. What the fudge is this? This was a corm, and I had no idea what kind of plant this was. I still don't know what the heck what is it? What are you? This is definitely some kind of caladium. Look at the way that it grew. It fell over. Here it is. My Paraíso Verde. Oh, this was 3 leaves. And it grew a new one, and it's pushing out another one. And it's pretty rooted. So this is the one that I want to pot up. I don't know if I'm going to do it today. I really want to. I should. Because the roots is looking healthy. Yes. So I want to take care of that. What else do I have in here? I have a variegated Peru that is totally rooted, pushing out. I'm just hoping that its newest leaf that comes out. Oh, this one rotted. Okay. That concerns me a little bit. Yeah, I'm just hoping that its new leaf that comes out is going to be variegated. I don't know if that was a new leaf and then it rotted out. I have to check. I gotta check this one. So we're gonna keep this one out. This pink princess, if it can grow properly, the variegation on here would be insane. Do something for me. Grow. I took this plant, babies, from one of my friend's plants, and because her pink princess has crazy variegation. I have one pink princess here that's doing amazing, that I paid way less for than my first pink princess that I purchased. Don't know what's going on there. I got Mycans in here, which is doing really well. A lot of new babies coming out, which is great. My Black Magic Begonia, doing well, definitely rooted. One of my faves. This was like the first begonia that I really fell in love with, because I just love the fact that when you look at it one way, it's green, and when you flip it over, it's red, and when you put it to the sun, it's fun. All right, let me just I'm gonna have other begonias in here too. The angel wing begonia, and then the Lucerna begonia. Then I have a philodendron Rio, which is like the creamy one that is definitely rooted. That needs to go in a pot, but I think I'm gonna just wait till it keeps growing, snip it back, put it back in the pot, because I want to make a full pot out of this plant. This is a really beautiful plant. So yeah, like I said, the most exciting plant from this prop box is this one right here, Paraíso Verde, and I need to pot it up. All right, let me just check this guy. I need to make sure that it's not rotting out in here. All right, it's doing fine. Roots is growing. The box is just really wet. Please do something amazing for me. I'm just taking a chance on it and seeing if it'll do something great. So we're just gonna leave this one in here.